Hi, Peter Harmon, the Food Guru, here to teach you how to make a classic Italian dish called pasta carbonara. You can do this at home and your family will love it. Heat a skillet to medium-high. Add some good olive oil. Add diced onions and chopped garlic. We want to cook it until the onions start to sweat. Then we're going to add chopped bacon and julienne ham. If you're feeling frisky, you can add Italian prosciutto. Now we're going to add 3 cups of heavy cream. We're going to allow that to cook until it's reduced by half. Then we're going to add green peas and a good shot of Parmesan cheese. This is cooked angel hair pasta. And now for the fun part. We're going to give it a toss. Okay? We're going to pour it onto our platter. Top it with shredded Parmesan cheese. A little chopped parsley. Now we're cooking. This is pasta carbonara. I'm Peter Harmon, the Food Guru, and this has been another Food Guru moment.